Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I, Miss Sanobar Noman, again welcome all of you to the last video lecture, lecture number 8 of English language for class 2. Before proceeding to our today's topic, let's take a preview of what we have learned in last lecture. We learned about punctuation marks. Students, let's recall it again. What mark is this? Yes, this is comma. This mark is exclamation mark. This is a question mark. This is a period mark. And last, this is the capital letter. Great! So students, I hope you all recalled and remember everything about punctuation marks. So in today's lecture, we are going to cover two topics. आज हम इस लेक्चर में दो टॉपिक्स को कवर करेंगे. Number 1 is antonyms and number 2 is similes. Come on students, let's start with our first topic, antonyms. First we will understand what antonyms are. Antonyms are the words that have opposite meanings. Antonyms ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनकी मीनिंग्स ऑपोजिट होती हैं. और अगर हम सिंपल वर्ड्स में कहें तो आपने वर्ड्स ऑपोजिट्स तो पढ़े ही होंगे, है ना? इन अनदर वर्ड्स, antonyms are words opposites which you all already learned in your previous class. Here is the list of some antonyms for your grade 2 level. आप सबने अपनी प्रीवियस क्लास में वर्ड्स ऑपोजिट या एंटोनिम्स पढ़े हैं, लेकिन अब हम क्लास 2 लेवल की लिस्ट को देखेंगे. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स सी द लिस्ट विथ पिक्चर्स. Number 1, foolish, wise. Number 2, bitter, sweet. Number 3, dwarf, giant. Number 4, fresh, stale. Number 5, maximum, minimum. Number 6, full, empty. Number 7, hurt, heal. Number 8, remember, forget. Number 9, entry, exit. Number 10, far, near. Number 11, junior, senior. And number 12, poor, rich. Students, have you seen the list of antonyms? I hope it will get very easy for you to remember. Now we are starting our next topic of English language, similes. Can anybody heard about the word simile before? क्या पहले कभी किसी ने सिमिली का नाम सुना है? सिमिली क्या होते हैं? Similes are the comparison between things using as or like. Similes दो चीज़ों के दरमियान कंपैरिजन को कहते हैं, जिसमें हम as और like के वर्ड्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. For example, अगर हमें किसी भी चीज़ की बात करनी हो तो एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर हम उसकी सिमिलर चीज़ का नाम ले सकते हैं। अब वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिसके हम सिमिलर नेम्स ले सकते हैं? अब ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिनके एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ हम एज यूज़ करते हैं? Come on, let's see some examples of similes using as. Number 1. As tall as giraffe. Giraffe की तरह लंबा. Number 2. As cold as winter. सर्दी के मौसम की तरह ठंडा. Number 3. As shiny as gold. सोने की तरह चमकदार. Number 4. As solid as rock. पत्थर की तरह सख्त. And as wise as owl. Owl की तरह समझदार. Now, here are some examples of similes using like. अब like के साथ हम कौन-कौन से similes use करते हैं? Let's see an examples. Number 1. Run like a cheetah. चीता की तरह तेज दौड़ना. Number 2. Smells like a flower. फूलों की तरह खुशबूदार. Number 3. Swims like a fish. Fish की तरह तैरना. Number 4. Cry like a baby. बच्चों की तरह रोना. And number 5. Climbs like a monkey. Monkey की तरह climb करना. These are all similes we use in our daily lives. I hope you all understood and much clear about similes too. Are you all ready for your home assignment? Remember, students, you have to complete all your work in your copies. Let's see question number 1. Question number 1 is about antonyms. Write the antonyms of the given words. Number 1, fresh. Number 2, full. Number 3, bitter. Number 4, far. Number 5, poor. Number 6, hurt. Number 7, entry. Number 8, remember. Number 9, dwarf. Number 10, foolish. Number 11, junior. And number 12 is maximum. In question number 2, you have to write down similes of the following using as. Number 1, as tall as. Number 2, as wise as. Number 3, as shiny as. Number 4, as solid as. And number 5, as cold as. And in question number 3, you have to write down similes using like. Number 1, swims like a dash. Number 2, climbs like a dash. Number 3, runs like a dash. Number 4, smells like a dash. And number 5, cry like a dash. So students, with all these lectures, we have completed our first term syllabus. Let's see what we have discussed and understood. देखते हैं इस फर्स्ट टर्म के सिलेबस में हमने कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स को समझा. We have discussed about nouns, kinds of nouns. Remember students, what are the two kinds of nouns? Yes, common noun and proper nouns. Then we also discussed about collective nouns, noun possession, noun genders. Noun gender means? Yes, masculine, feminine. Noun numbers means singular plurals. Pronouns, punctuations, antonyms and similes. Right? Congratulations all of you on your completion of first term lectures. Hope you all understand all topics very well. Hoping from you all to complete all your work on time. Time to say bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.